When this lizard feels threatened, it doesn't run. It shoots blood from its eyes. This bizarre creature is the Texas horned lizard, and its defense is one of the most shocking in the animal kingdom. When a predator attacks, it increases the pressure in its head until the tiny blood vessels around its eyes burst. The result, a jet of blood that can shoot up to 2 meters, right into the enemy's mouth. The blood isn't just for show. It tastes disgusting to predators like foxes and cats, filled with chemicals that burn their mouths and eyes. The lizard then escapes while the enemy is blinded. It's proof that even the smallest creatures carry weapons no one expects. Subscribe for hundreds of wild animal stories.